Introducing the 2016 Audi A4 2.0 TDI Sline, a powerful and stylish saloon packed with features for a luxurious driving experience. With a sleek white exterior, this 2-liter diesel manual transmission beauty is perfect for those seeking comfort and class. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, this car has it all. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. The Audi A4 comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this amazing vehicle. Call us or visit audikerry.ie for more information. Drive in style and luxury today.